What if the real reason you're not getting clients in real estate is something no one has told you yet? Well, that's exactly what I'm about to reveal. Hey y'all, I'm Lee Brown, and for over 26 years, I've sold more than 2,600 homes and worked with thousands of realtors across the globe. In this video, I'm going to be answering the most real and unfiltered questions new agents ask me about getting clients, how to build trust, and why things might not be working as well as they want. Question number 1. How do I even start getting clients when I'm brand new and nobody knows me? Okay, friends, you have to be visible. And I don't mean just online, I mean in real life. You have to meet people and make connections. For example, go to the same grocery store you usually visit and talk to people. Say hey to the person grabbing some milk next to you or to the cashier you see every week. Ask them how school is. Start a simple conversation. Did you see the price of avocados? And then, instead of paying at the pump, go inside the gas station and talk to the cashier. Talk to somebody in line. By the way, if there's new construction in your area, please go introduce yourself to the on-site agents, learn about the product they're selling, look at the lots, look at the information, and start building relationships before you have a buyer. Remember that none of this is about selling. It's about being seen consistently and building real connections. Question 2. Okay, well, everyone says build relationships, but how exactly? Okay, be genuinely curious. Listen to hear instead of listening to respond. Ask people about their day, their life, or old school, ask about the weather. Simple questions open doors. Then when you check their social media, you can follow up when it matters. If someone shares good news in your timeline, or if it's a pretty rough moment, when you make a connection, and that counts for more than you know. Now, if you connect with someone on social media for the first time, offer to take them out for a cup of coffee. Tell them you'd like to get to know them and understand them, and you're just trying to be curious. Remember, this business isn't built on transactions. Transactions are the outcome of your relationships. If you struggle to build relationships and build clients, click on the first link in the description. I'll walk you through it. Number 3, do I really need a mentor, or should I just figure this out myself? Okay, yes, you can figure it out alone. However, it's going to come at a time cost, a mistake cost, and you're going to have a lot more trial and error. A good mentor can shorten the learning curve. If you find the right person, they will fill your gaps. For example, if you aren't comfortable pricing listings, find a listing expert. If you're the disorganized sort, find someone who has a strength in systems and structure. And here's the key. The right mentor doesn't just guide you, they speed up your growth. Question 4. How are some people closing deals in their first year, but I'm not? Well, here's the simple truth. They're asking for the business. You're not. Confidence plays a huge role here, and so does basic sales skill. If you don't feel confident yet, you have to build it. Practice your conversations. Use a mirror. Talk to your spouse, your best friend. It will also improve your communication because public speaking starts at home, and all of the speaking you do helps more than you think. Then you're going to have to ask yourself honestly, are you talking to people every day, talking with people, or are you just scrolling and learning? The activity is what creates the opportunity. Question 5. I don't know what to say when I call people. Should I just wing it? Well, yes, sometimes you should. Conversation will start to come naturally as you practice. Don't overthink it, just call. Here, start simply. Hey, how are you? Is this a good time to chat? Then let it flow naturally. Ask if they have questions about anything real estate and listen more than you talk. It shows them that they matter more than you do. What's the adage? You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. Then, if you don't know something, they ask you a question, don't fake it, okay? Here's what you should say. I'm not sure. Let me find out and get back to you. That kind of honesty builds trust faster than perfect scripts ever can. Question 6. How do you get people to trust you when you're new? You don't hide it, just own it. Tell the truth. This is my new career. However, I have been recently trained in the latest laws and contract information. Lean on your broker or mentor. In fact, a good broker or mentor will go along with you in early meetings to give you support and help you get through the rough moments. Remember, this shows that you're not inexperienced, you've got backing. And that trust gets built from more than experience. It comes from honesty, consistency, and likability. Question 7. I'm working hard on this, but is real estate worth it? Well, that depends on what working hard actually looks like. Are you being intentional? Who are you meeting daily? How many homes are you walking into? Sitting behind a screen can feel productive, but it doesn't always create results. You're going to have to actually meet and interact with people, talk with them, and engage in conversation. The core of this is that real estate rewards action and it rewards showing up. If you want more simple strategies to close deals, click on the second link to join my email list. Question 8. Am I too late to get into this industry? Not even close. The average real estate agent isn't in their 20s. They're closer to being in their mid-50s. So whether you're 25 or 65, you're not late. You're on your time. Markets shift. They always do. They always have. But people always need somewhere to live. Markets always reward activity. Your timing isn't the problem, but your approach might be. So think about what your beliefs are when it comes to real estate. Question 9. Is real estate too saturated right now? Well, on paper, it does look saturated, but in reality, it's not about those big numbers. It's about standards. Most agents don't stay consistent. They don't follow up, and they don't build real relationships. They are looking for the low-hanging fruit. If you, though, show up differently and become a reliable, consistent source, you won't feel the saturation. You will feel the opportunity. Question 10. What should I focus on in my first year? Talk to people. That's the same advice brokers have given for generations. You have a telephone, use it. Secret agents don't last. Now, even if you're given leads, you still have to talk to them to turn them into business and lead them to more word of mouth. By the way, don't let social media drain you. Stop chasing going viral. Use social media to support what you're doing instead. If someone asks a question, answer it online. Write a blog post, make a video. You see a great home while you're scrolling? Ask the listing agent if you can preview it and spotlight it. This is about building knowledge and building connections, both with future clients and with future collaborative agents. Now, most importantly, get out, use your feet, and preview homes daily. Know your market inside and out because nothing can beat that. If this feels like a lot of work with no results, the problem isn't your actions, it's your positioning. Watch the video on the screen to know how to change that in 2026.